My hubby's working from home today. What a treat. Today, however, I want to talk to you about something that I did 3 days ago. I'm making navy bean soup for lunch today. And I'm going to put some garlic and olive oil broccoli in the air fryer. It's going to be so tasty. I have to take my metformin before I eat. Alrighty, let's try this soup. It's been cooking for 2 hours. Really tasty. And then we have the broccoli. So good. All right, back to what we're talking about. I participated in a clinical trial here at the Ottawa Heart Institute. Let me tell you all about it. All right, so here are the details of the study. It was performed by the Ottawa Hospital Research Institute, the cardiology department, and the official study name is the Mitochondrial Function in Human Skeletal Muscle Research. The principal investigator is Ruth McPherson, and the funding agency is the Canadian Institutes of Health Research. I highlighted a few of the important parts of the study that I wanted to share with you. So it says here, the purpose of the study is to learn more about obesity and diabetes and related conditions. They wish to learn more about the role of skeletal muscle and fat tissues in regulating metabolism. A portion of coded DNA, RNA, and protein samples will be used in mitochondrial function studies, gene expression, and protein expression studies. This research may enable the scientists involved to better understand the genetic contributors to obesity and diabetes and may help improve how patients with obesity and diabetes and related conditions are treated in the future. I find that super interesting. Is there a genetic factor in being obese? What I find fascinating is what it says here. It says, if mitochondria do not function properly, it may tip the scales to insulin resistance, the first metabolic defect on the road to diabetes, and may also alter individuals' ability to lose weight in response to medical or surgical therapy. There's so many factors that contribute to being overweight and diabetic. It's just interesting to see what other studies that they come up with to see if there are any other contributing factors to it. So as a volunteer, I had to go in 3 days ago for a biopsy. They did a small incision on the right side of my right thigh. And it talks about it a little bit further here. It says here that they used a 5mm needle and a local anesthesia in order to do so. It was not painful. The whole appointment lasted about an hour. The second part of the study will be done while I'm having bariatric surgery. They're going to be doing a biopsy, as it says here, part B, and they're going to be collecting here, fat and liver biopsy. I won't feel anything. By then I'm going to be under. If you're a science nerd like I am, I'll leave more details in the comments below so you can read more about this research. I volunteered for this because I find it extremely fascinating to see what factors may affect obesity and diabetes. And since I do have both of those conditions, I figured I might as well help out and see what happens. This study here was done in my hometown here in Ottawa. It was a volunteer basis, and there was no compensation apart from the fact that they did pay for my parking, and they did give me an $8 voucher for the cafeteria afterwards, because you have to fast prior to the biopsy. And I am looking forward to seeing these numbers change. I hope you found this video interesting. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up to make sure that it gets into the hands of other people that might be interested. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting weekly videos to keep you informed on my journey. Thank you very much for watching.